and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Well, you've probably been practicing hot cross buns from our last lesson, which is great, because today we're going to learn how to play and improvise with hot cross buns jazz style. To improvise means to make up your own music on the spot. You choose the notes as you go, anything you want. There's no right or wrong. For our improvisation today, we're going to be playing along with a backing track, which, by the way, you can download from our website as a free gift when you register for Hoffman Academy. This backing track is also found on the practice album, which is included as part of the complete materials for Unit 1, Lessons 1 through 20. The backing track gives us accompaniment to play along with. Let's come to the piano to see how this works. First, we'll place our fingers on the 3 black keys. Then we'll press play on the backing track. While it's playing, listen for 4 clicks. That's your signal to start playing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you improvise. Now it's going to be your turn to try. But first, let me give you a few tips. Before you press play on the backing track, make sure you have your hand in position on the 3 black keys. Then, when you hear the 4 clicks, think inside your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after you say 4, you start playing hot cross buns on the next beat. Let's practice like this. Say with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, hot. Okay, let's try it together. And actually on hot, let's clap our hands. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, hot. Okay, try it with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, hot. Good. Now, let's try it on the keys. We're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, hot, cross, buns. And instead of clapping on hot, we're going to start playing on the beat right after you say 4. Try it with me. Let's count and then start playing. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot, cross, buns, and stop. Good. Let's try it one more time. Count with me and then start playing on the next beat. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot, cross, buns. Good. So, now, when you are playing the backing track, you're going to listen for the 4 clicks, and then you're going to play hot cross buns. Then you're going to improvise using the same 3 notes you just used to play hot cross buns. Like I said, there isn't a right or a wrong for improvising. But if you're not sure how to get started, here are some ideas. One idea for improvising is to use the same words and timing, but just change the notes. For example, instead of hot cross buns, you can use the same words but new notes like hot cross buns, hot cross buns, 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. So I did all the same words but just tried some new notes. But it's also possible to change the timing or add extra words that you make up yourself. Like, I like hot cross buns, oh yeah, I like 'em hot cross buns. You can make up anything you want. Also, improvisations don't have to have words at all. You can just listen and enjoy the various sounds and patterns the 3 black keys can make. Remember, you have repeating notes, you can do stepping notes up or down, or you can skip notes, like from mi all the way down to do. One thing I do not recommend doing is just playing completely randomly like this. That would be kind of like talking like blah, 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 blah. No one could understand you. So when you improvise, play your notes clearly, just like talking, and have fun making up your very own music. While you're doing the improvisation, be listening for the 4 clicks. That's going to be your signal to end the improvisation and play hot cross buns one last time. Okay, to summarize, you're going to start the backing track, listen for 4 clicks, play hot cross buns, improvise, then 4 clicks again, and play hot cross buns one last time. Okay, it's time for you to give it a try. Remember, if you're not totally happy with your improvisation, fine. You can rewind and try it again and again, as many times as you like. Here we go. I'm going to play hot cross buns along with you, but when it's time to improvise, you're on your own. Go ahead and get your hand in position. The backing track is about to begin. One, two, three, four. Great job today learning how to improvise with hot cross buns, jazz style. Remember, you can download this backing track either by signing up for Hoffman Academy and getting the free welcome gift, or if you want the complete materials for Unit 1, which gives you sheet music, music theory activity pages, and MP3 practice tracks for lessons 1 through 20, you can visit the Hoffman Academy store. When you improvise with hot cross buns, be sure to try it sometimes in your right hand and sometimes in your left hand. We want both hands to become fully trained in piano, so be sure to give both of your hands equal practice. It's only fair, right? Left? You know what I mean. I hope you have lots of fun practicing your improvising. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Well, it's time to do my piano practice. Here goes. Hot, woo, cross, woo, what the? Buns, woo, a monkey, woo, woo. Hello. Would you like to learn how to play hot cross buns, little guy? Woo, 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 woo. Okay, well, just copy what I do, okay? Watch carefully. Hot, woo, good. Cross, woo, nice. Buns, woo. Wow, pretty good. Okay, now next. Oh yeah, you do it again. All right, let me teach you the next part. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Whoa, you're amazing. Hey, come teach me that cool ending.